Welcome again. We're going to look at calculating problems for a right triangular prism. First one we'll look at is surface area, so we'll construct our prism here. It has a right angle. Our dimensions are 3 by 4 by 5, following Pythagorean's theorem, with a height of 8. So I'm going to label my faces here. The first face I label is always my base, which in this case is our triangle. And the other 3 rectangular faces, knowing that the opposite face is also a congruent triangle. So now we'll draw our net. As you can see here, we have 5 faces, 2 of which are a triangle. So in order to solve for that face, we need to know the area of a triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. Now we're going to substitute into that formula in order to solve. So we have 4 meters times 3 meters, divide that by 2. Up with 12 over 2, or 6 meters squared. So I can add that to my net. Next thing we'll do is start calculating our rectangular faces, which is length times width. So I multiply in 8 times 5, 40 meters squared. We'll erase that. Now we'll calculate C, which is on the bottom here, 4 times 8. If you notice, our height is always the same, or our length, when we're calculating this rectangle. D is the final rectangle, which is 8 times 3, 24 meters squared, and I'll add that to my net. Finally, we're going to use this formula. Our total surface area is 2 times A, to account for both bases, plus B plus C plus D. So then I substitute in all the areas we just calculated in. 2 times 6 meters squared plus 40 plus 32 plus 24. So I end up with 12 meters squared, and if I add these 3 together, I end up with 96 meters squared, and I have a total of 108 meters squared for the surface area of the right triangular prism. The second problem we can do this way is calculate volume. So remember, volume is area of our base, which in this case is our triangle, times our height. We can further break that formula down into our triangular area formula, which is base times height divided by 2 times the height of our prism. So we're going to solve this 2 ways. One, we'll just use the area we already calculated, which is 6 meters squared times our height there of 8. We end up with 48 meters cubed. Now, in the second way, we can substitute in using our base times height divided by 2. We revert back, we look at 3 meters by 4 meters divided by 2, which again will give me 12 divided by 2 is 6, times 8 is 48 meters cubed. Get the same answer. There we go.